Well, the Muny opens its summer season tonight, exactly 1 month after the tornado tore through Forest Park. The theater was spared the worst of the damage, but hundreds of downed trees still fill the park, and that's where we find Megan Kernan live with this reopening and what it means to the community. Megan.
Mike, these downed trees show how close the tornado came to the Muny. 1/3 of Forest Park's trees were damaged, and somehow it just missed the main stage. Tonight, the season will open with Bring It On, the musical. They're using this moment as both a celebration and a reminder of just how much the city has gone through. It's opening night at the Muny, and this year, it means more than ever.
I think this one's a little extra special. It's been a tough month, but we got lucky compared to the park as a whole, compared to the whole city.
When the tornado tore through Forest Park on May 16th, it crushed the pre-show stage, but somehow spared the iconic main stage.
You could call it miraculous, you could call it lucky, fortunate, whatever it is. When you just to the west of us, the huge trees are down, like you said, on the pre-show stage. Just to the east of us, behind the Culver Pavilion, same thing.
Over 4,000 trees were damaged in Forest Park.
My hat goes off to the park, to the city. What they've done to clean up a lot in a really short amount of time has been impressive.
Last week, the Muny was honored with a Tony Award and turned their watch party into a tornado relief drive.
Just a week ago, we were up in New York to accept that Tony Award on behalf of the theater, but on behalf of the whole city.
Tonight's opener, Bring It On, stars Kennedy Holmes from Florissant. You may remember her as a finalist on The Voice back in 2018.
Sing a women if you feel it, we don't get down with no pound.
So we've got a hometown girl in a lead role. To open today, on schedule, opening night. Welcome all of St. Louis back to what we think is their summer home. It's a gift.
The curtain rises at 8:15 tonight. The Muny says after the month we've had here in St. Louis, this is a moment of joy the city deserves. Live in Forest Park, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.